Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. So as you know, due to coronavirus, all the masks are getting over. So I've come up with this fun way, an easy way to make a homemade mask without any cutting or stitching. So for this, you'd require a cloth, a normal handkerchief and two rubber bands. But before that, we need to make everything sanitized. So first, you have to sanitize the surface on which you're making it. So I just take some alcohol based sanitizer and I'll rub it around the surface on which I'll be making. Now after that, after you've sanitized the place, you sanitize your hands also. So first you take the cloth and then you spread it. Then you take 1/3 of it and then you fold it like this. Then you take the remaining part and then fold it neatly. Now, after you folded it, you take one of the rubber bands and then you place it like this. Then you take the other rubber band and then you place it like this. Now, you take the first flap of it and keep it like this. After that, you take the second flap of it and keep it. Now, after you've kept these flaps, you put one flap inside the other and then keep it secure for your comfort. Now, you take it and hold it like this and then you keep one towards your ear and the other towards another ear. So this is how the mask looks. So make sure it's tight enough and it covers your nose and your mouth for protection. So I hope you liked the video and don't forget to like, subscribe and share as much as possible. Thank you.